Alright, there's my stack of common rafters that I'm going to need for the field here. I got my Gable one installed already. I have one set in the middle that's holding the wall straight, so it's not bowed in or out. Then I'm gonna have to terminate at the end here. We're gonna have to figure out a way to box that all in. That's gonna be interesting, but we'll see how that turns out shortly. The wall of the house has quite a bit of a bow to it, and that's going to be transferring the bow out to my tails. But because this is such a shallow pitched roof, I think I can just snap a line from here to there when I have the final one installed, and then I will just plumb down and cut all the tails off straight. Hello. Finally getting somewhere. Got the joists in. Got the gable closed up on that end. I have a sheet there that's just tacked, OSB that's just tacked, so it can come off, because that's still the only way in and out until we actually go for having access to the house. But I'm confused what to do here. I gotta figure this out. I need to terminate this somehow. So I have roof this way, siding here. So, I don't know, but I'm going to figure this out and then show you guys. Alright, I'm still not sure how I'm boxing that off down there, but I'm kind of leading myself down a path in a direction I think I want to go. So I'm just going to start throwing the OSB at it. I'm going to get this piece cut, get this in, probably get the rest finished out, and then work on this box. So what I did down here with the first piece is I got it cut. It was 82 inches to break. It's all the bigger I could go because 16 inches is 98 and a sheet's only 96. So I got it up here, tacked it in the corner, eyed it all the way down to there to make sure that it stays in line with the fascia, doesn't stick over, and nailed it up. So I'll finish nailing that off, and I will work on getting the measurements for this piece. Here's my piece. It's always good to write it down, draw it out, especially if you're throwing it down to a cut man so he knows what he's looking at. Okay, you can't break your OSB on the same rafter. So I'm going to start that way, pull a measurement here, and then finish out. Because it'll span 6 spaces, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can actually probably come to here. So I get that measurement, throw that in, get that measurement, finish it out. Alright, well here's about the best I could come up with. Don't laugh. But this boxes this whole piece down and it's closed off. And the helpful part here is that now I can run rolled roofing up this and then metal will come down and flash it. When it was open there was going to be an impossibility to get that dried in. So I'm happy with it. I'm not siding this one, so leave that for the next guy. But that's the way I did that. So up next is getting this rolled roofing on.